All right, y'all. We got a nice little thunderstorm going on out here. The rain is coming down, and I got my umbrella hat on, so let's try this sucker out and see if it works. Woo, I can hear it falling on the umbrella, giving me that little pitter-patter like you're in a tent camping, and you can just hear the rain smacking the tent nylon. I'll tell you what, my arm, holding my camera here, it's getting wet, but so far, I'm dry underneath it. The nice thing is the umbrella isn't that big, so it's just enough to cover you, and it's small enough that no one would notice, and it's completely normal looking, which is great. Yeah. And there's my Soldier of Fortune magazine in the mail. So I guess I'll read that now and head back in, but this thing works. Awesome. I might just stay out here and hang out. All right. See you later. Peter on Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.